ama sain ci bay hey last day te unaw anu in guitar
Finish learning?
an Zirtir dona
Oh, really?
share le me chu hey finte nia ani hi chu piano lama tui dewa guitar an
No, but I just want you to know the
anu
fun
in an
notes. Just
Zirtir chin dona
so
ni
here, I
hi
just want you to go like this. Yep, I know. Okay.
mana tang to in
I want you to
ka
take
fanu hi afate guitar Zirtir ro ka ti thina ma se
pinky here.
an interest lo
this
tia
Which one do you
That's
like?
D.
ma se hey Tlem in an lo lian ve dewa
A,
music chu
D.
an ron ngai na ve deu ni na langa
So these two.
guitar Zirtir po chai lo am thei lawa an zir chun zo an zel se ka ti khop mai
Look at my fingers. This finger. Like this. Yep. And that guy goes there. Nope. There. So think about these guys. Yeah, I think.
interest tak tak se chu anu hianin basic guitar
This.
han
See where I'm using my finger,
mani
my
zai
pinkies?
han ram thein tok chu an thiam ve mai chu ka ringa
Yeah, that was good. That was good. That was right where we're... No. So think about this. You're right here and right here, right? Keep those.
guitar thiam ve mel chu an pu ve tho mo le
Be up close to it, but it's really better to extend your arm.
Yeah.
Okay, so first chord, let's do G. So third fret, go up the third.
Mother's Day man om mange.
And then you walk down.
hey Lars le run ten an han ti ve le chin don li anu nan zir ti dona adu chuanin anu hianin a zir ti thiam ve bia donin ka sha tin ti pon basic hi chu
Do it too aggressive.
ka zir ti thiam ve mai anga a major chord ti ve hi chu chuwang chuanin tran la ka nga in ka sha ka tu te hian
Second fret.
guitar hi thiam ve ngai se
Middle
ka du
finger is
em ani
all the way in the bottom. Yep, and then you take that first finger and you just go up next. No. Right, it's its friend up here. And this guy goes in the middle. Does that make sense? So it's that, and
oh hey an kut zung chang an da na tur a fret le
You got it, Rooney?
a key vel an shi ve a no pang na na chu an thiam ve mai tura ka nga ya an practice de chuan an thiam ve mai yang
the middle, your last finger.
Middle finger goes on the bottom.
Bottom. Always remember where the middle finger is. And
Yep.
then so he has his mate up there. Yes, he skips. And then you have this string in between. It's for that guy. Yep. Middle finger is on the third fret.
Doesn't sound nice.
Middle finger.
anu
on the
chuan
third fret, step down.
an kut zung chang an da na tur te po a shil fia ke ko thiam hle mai
How did I forget this?
Step down with this guy.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta take a break.
Remember.
Well, you can still learn, but your dad knows how to do it. Your mom knows. Your both your parents are good. They can play good, so
Ignoring a chord.
last te hi a frustrate te una ka mai ro
I
chu
forgot the other one.
an nu le pa music thiam ve ve an nia
Look at
an du
real
chuanin
meticulous
an
over there.
catch up ve mai donin
It's really hard to
His-
switch.
hey Rooney, your hair is way too long. We need to cut your hair again. Oh, what you doing? Oh,
hi hi dein ania
okay.
Daphne pa
Okay,
panga
okay,
ti
okay.
ate ber
All right, do it, do it.
thum ating ve doni chu
Okay, gotta hit it harder.
You have to hit.
Yeah.
Hit that.
Yeah, hit the box. Gotta hit the box.
It's
There's
hard
no
for him.
there's
He's,
no-
he's so short.
Hold
He's
on.
gonna have to like bend over.
I was thinking of New Vegas song. Right? There's no guitar. No.
Okay, hit it, big there. Drums. Okay, good.
Guitar and Johnny guitar.
Yes.
There's no guitar. It's an orchestra. No, there's no guitar.
Johnny, I don't know. Yeah, I don't think there's a guitar.
Okay, sing, but just sing.
No, sing? No,
Yeah.
I don't know any good song.
Remember,
I can't
this is
sing.
the first song that I teach you?
No.
Over the
No.
sunset
I remember that. I remember when I was like 7.
mountain.
I mean, come on.
Someday I'll softly go
This is G. What's the
into
other
the arms of
That's G.
This is
Jesus.
D. I don't know.
He
G.
who
I
has
just know
loved me
only
so.
know
Okay, you play G.
Oh, you sound good.
Yep, I can do one chord. And then what?
Keep on playing it.
What do I
Just
go
keep
from
on.
there?
Now do upstrokes. Da, da.
Ow.
Yep.
No, that's not even. What, am I doing that right?
Yeah. You gotta come up with strumming patterns.
Is my hand like this? Like to hold a pencil?
Yeah, it messes up mine. Let me get you a pick, honey. What?
Pick. What you do before? I only know how to do that. Not this. This is playing.
You have to. I want to see you have confidence in your strumming pattern before you.
I
move
do have
on.
confidence. Look at this.
What about your up? Just let it. Don't push it. Just let it fall. It's like you drag. Yeah, very light.
Very light.
Yeah, let the pig do the work. Okay, and then what should we do?
D. What is D?
D is what I was trying to do. So
And
take.
then, so from this.
So second fret.
Right here.
Okay, you're moving second fret, first finger.
You're gonna learn how to play.
I don't know. I feel like if I were playing guitar majorly, I'd be more passionate about it than he is.
Oh yeah.
Oh, both on
I don't
this
know.
guy.
I'm just not a big guitar dude.
And then.
Well, your dad is. Your dad knows how to play drums, and your dad sings and plays.
Wait, I'm not.
You'll know. You'll
You
know.
need gloves for this. Is it? Are you sure that's it?
That's it.
Run te hian aning tre tawnin anin shil na sa boka anuin a shil fia ke kok boka
It's not pressing down. I'm not.
karin ai chuanin anu
You
chuanin
want these are parts.
a
These are the parts of the fingers.
ya wani alo mamang ve mai
Oh, you sound good.
gitar anin
Your strumming is very good.
an voi khatti na nya hei kandina
And then
an
you go
local
back to
ren
G.
chang boka chu bang chuan gitar pahni pathuma oma azia bia mai
Once you practice it, you
just
will get
practice
it.
You'll get it. You just have to go back and forth. You're gonna go G, G,
What
G,
was
G,
G again?
G is going. Yeah.
Is it better? Is it too hard to look at it and figure it out? Here, you should be looking at where my fingers are and figuring it out yourself. Match my fingers to the fret. If this
anin
is too
shil
complicated,
thiam nu fa
is it
khop
easier
mai
if I go
hei
like this?
kalo lom ve bia wani hei an phur ve bokani
Finger placement is think of a
mu ta
step
om
down.
te hi ngai
on the-
music a
from the
hian
third
chuan
fret. Yes.
chu bang chuan alom om
Very
ve mai
easy. No. Step down. Think about step down. Look at it. So stepping down. Yep. Higher.
This
the top.
guy?
And this guy. And that guy goes there.
Exactly.
Yeah, like you did before.
Yeah, that's good. That's G.
I memorized one thing and then you tell me.
Put this in the middle of you. You need to pull the
There
guitar.
we go.
Give yourself you need to have your arm out a little bit more.
Yeah.
There we go. That's it.
Don't just let him learn how to strum. Don't hold it back. Don't bang it. Just
Don't bang it.
yeah. Just learn the palm. Yeah.
She just wants you to do
No, but then it doesn't sound good.
Well, once you know how to play, then you
learn some strumming patterns.
yeah. You need to learn how to strum first.
Is that not correct?
That's right. But also you need to be on the beat.
Should I only be using my wrist because I'm going from the.
It's just my wrist. It's mostly wrist.
Yeah.
It's nothing else but wrist. There you go. That's it.
What you doing? Hi, baby.
And that, so
What you have there?
this is okay. I think I got G memorized.
That's G, and D is down. The three little fingers.
What's the?
What is it? There's no guitar.
It's an orchestra.
Yeah, you know.
Well, you play. What do you play?
Cello.
Cello. You play cello.
I used to play cello.
Yeah, I know.
But
I still
cello
have-
and guitar.
I
very
still have
different.
your video.
Yeah, from way back then.
Rooney, you never play. You never play, right?
I
But you
wanna
like
play
to
bass,
sing.
but that has become an ordeal. It's just like very hard.
The bass. Yeah, I never know how to play bass.
It's kind of like guitar, wouldn't it be? At least like I feel like.
Yeah.
The chords would be the same.
Okay, so you guys are gonna help me a little bit outside.
Maybe we'll see. Yeah.
Okay.
Ole khati zong kha tuna tan chuan kalo share the lo ni le ta se kalom eme. Thank you so much. God bless.